Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chhavi. So for this video, I will be showing you how to make an automatic street lamp circuit without using a breadboard. So let's get started. So I have taken all these components and arranged it in such a way that it's easy for me to connect and it's easy for you to understand how I'm connecting. Okay, so what I've taken I've taken two 1 kilo ohm resistors. I've taken one 500 ohms resistor, one LED, two transistors, one LDR, and a battery. So let's get started. So this is the transistor 1 and this is the transistor 2. Okay, so let's start with transistor 1. Okay, so I'll connect the collector of the transistor 1 to the cathode of the LED, and then I'll connect the anode of the LED to terminal 1 of 500 ohms resistor. Then I'll connect the terminal 2 of the 500 ohms resistor to the battery's positive of the battery, like this. Then I'll connect the same terminal 2 to the terminal 2 of 1 kilo ohm resistor, like this, and then I'll connect the terminal 2 of the same 1 kilo ohm resistor to the terminal 2 of the LDR, like this. Okay, now I will connect the base of the first transistor to the collector of the second transistor, like this. Then I'll connect the emitter of the first transistor to the terminal 1 of this 1 kilo ohm resistor. Then I'll connect the emitter of the first transistor again to the emitter of the second transistor, like this. Okay, and then the connection of the first transistor is done. Now let's start with the connection of the second transistor. So the collector of the second transistor will be connected to the terminal 1 of this resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor. Then the base of the second transistor will be connected to this terminal 2 of this 1 kilo ohm resistor. And again the base of the second transistor will be connected to terminal 1 of the LDR, like this. Then the emitter of the second transistor will be connected to terminal 1 of this 1 kilo ohm resistor, like this. Okay, now I'll connect the terminal 1 of this 1 kilo ohm resistor, like this, to the negative of the battery, like this. Our circuit is completed. Now let's test if it's working or not. So when I click on start simulation, the LED glows. When I click on LDR, the LED it's an automatic street lamp circuit, right? So automatic street lamp, so we don't need light when there's day, right? So the light will be off when there's sunlight or when it's daytime, and it will be on when it's night time or it's night, whatever. So over here we can see what time is it through the LDR or with the LDR. So in the LDR right now it's night time. When I increase it, it will become daytime when it reaches here. So when it's reaching here, the LED stops glowing, and when it comes here, the LED starts glowing, like this. Okay, so our circuit is completed and it is working. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chhavi. Thank you, and if you have any doubt, then post it in the comment section down below. Thank you.